from To the Moon cards. We got a Moon Pie. What is funny is I've actually never had one of these. When I think of Moon Pies, I think of the oatmeal pies, but I've never had one of these. The original marshmallow sandwich. Yes, I use my teeth. Don't try that at home. Oh my word. So here we go. Interesting. So, To the Moon cards sent this with our package. That's interesting. I don't know how I feel. This is very interesting, guys. I'm not sure. At first I'm like, oh, it's kind of gross. But then it's like, I don't know. I don't know what to think. It's interesting. I'm very mixed on how I feel about this. It's definitely not my favorite snack in the world. It's a mess. I'm making such a mess. But thank you, To the Moon. My official review on this is, it's alright. I'm not going to go out and buy a box to snack on all day. But it's not bad. It's not bad.